Yeah, in this video, I am going to answer your question and take you step by step on how to send Solana from CLI wallet to Phantom wallet. So you are using Solana CLI and then you want to do a transfer from that wallet to your Phantom wallet using command prompt on Solana CLI. Let's get to do that together step by step. Are you looking for a single platform that make it super easier for you to have access to explore Web3 projects and opportunities they have, like jobs, grants, bounties, and a lot more? If that is what you want, welcome to Explore Web3 platform, a public good project I'm building to make it super easier for you to explore Web3 projects and their opportunities. So it has over 150 categories that makes it easier for you, and each of these projects you can bookmark them to access later. You can have access, rate them and give feedback, and in doing so. And at the same time, I started with Solana ecosystem, but I'm open to expand to other ecosystems. So if you belong to that, you can reach out to set up, and if you build Web3 project, you can also submit for free. And at the same time, please donate to help keep this project going. Meanwhile, I may get support and reward for any of the content, video or content on the website. So please always do your own research. Every of the content are for educational purpose and not investment advice. Let's get back to the video. Yeah, this Phantom wallet, you see, is zero there, and then we want to send from the wallet on CLI wallet to it. So to do that, we need to first open your terminal, and then at least let's confirm that we have Solana CLI installed. Good. So it didn't give us error and it's giving us the version. That's good. So means the next thing we want to do is, before we do the transfer, let's check the wallet and probably the balance. So Solana address at $D. Yes. Yeah, so this is the pub key or public key or wallet address, so that once we do the transfer, we can use it to cross-check. Then let's also check. So balance. Good. So I currently have this 148. So, and mind you, this is DevNet. It's not real, so you can turn to money. So you understand. So this is just for development, not real. So now you can't turn it to real, so it's not money. It's fake for development only. Now let's transfer. For us, we have this Solana documentation for it. Let's try and copy. This is what they've got here. Solana transfer from the keep here the recipient account, then allow unfunded recipient. That means if the person you are sending to have never received fund before, you will usually see, if you watch my previous video about setting up Phantom wallet afresh and adding token to it, airdrop so to it, you see it usually give you that error. So you don't want that to stop your transfer, and you want to ensure you're on DevNet. So if you are doing this on mainnet as well, you ensure you are on mainnet, but I'm doing it on DevNet. So there's an example here. So Solana transfer. Let me copy this out. So let's run through some of these things. Paste. So it's a bit long, but let's see. So what this is coming. Let's open a new so that it will be much clearer. Good. Yeah, you see, you are doing Solana transfer from my Solana wallet.json. So that should be where your wallet is on your system. So if it is not there, it will not work. So I just copy it as well. Then the next one will be the amount you want to send. Like I told you, this flag forces it to send even if the wallet has zero balance and maybe even never received so or anything before. Then this on DevNet, the fee payer, and then that's my Solana wallet.json. So right here we need to replace some things which might not be easy to do here. For me to do it, let me try it here. So this is the wallet we want to fund. Receive. Then we can gently copy this, delete that, and replace it with this wallet. So maybe we want to send $1.1 so, or maybe 0.1. So that's what we can now copy it and go back to the terminal and paste. So if this JSON wallet something is correct, it will. If it's not, it will not work. You can see it now. So you are saying from your address, which is the wallet we have here, which is this, and we want it to, by saying it doesn't exist. The reason is because based on how this wallet is on this PC, is not like my Solana wallet something. So you have to use the correct one for it to work based on the wallet you are using. So I said you should get this. Let's retry, and checking the doc, there's a default part which is like id.json. So let's try the id.json. Like I told you, if you have changed this your .json file, whatever name you use is what you should ensure you put here for it to locate the wallet. So let's turn this to ID. And retry. No such file or directory. So it still shows that I didn't have this saved here. So you can see it now. I tried it with this and then it went straight. So it was actually the ID, but I had to copy this complete part with it so that you can locate it on the system you are using to identify and be able to sign the transaction. So what I did was to copy this completely, and you can see it. I used it to replace that JSON, and then also here you replace it these two places, and you copy it, or maybe in a text file, and then you open this and paste it, so it will be able to identify it here. 1 and there 2. Let's enter. You can see it. So we have sent this like twice. These are the signature. You can check the transfer. Now let's go back and see it. Close. So we can't see anything here because we did it on DevNet. So remember that we need to put it onto DevNet before we can see. So you can see it. We have 0.2 here because we did the transfer twice, and if I repeat it again, but this time let's put 0.3. You can see it now. Within a short time, you see that 0.3 plus 0.2 that's there, we now have 0.5. So that's how to send Solana from your Solana CLI wallet to your Phantom wallet, and you'll be able to see. So if it's as well on mainnet, you just change this part as well to point it to mainnet, and make sure also maybe you set your CLI as well to mainnet, so to make things much easier. So if you find this helpful, like, subscribe, tap notification bell, share, and if you want to support the project, you can recommend us for technical content grants to create developer content for any ecosystem you are in, and also you can support with donation, right link in the description. I remain Solomon Foske. Keep the programming spirit alive and always do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill and not evil. See you in the next video. Peace.